Entries. The story begins here, in the vast wheat fields of the agricultural heartland.
At the factory's massive raw material reception bay, industrial trucks.
Workers operate automated guided vehicles that transport ingredient containers to...
Welcome to our factory, where we produce over 2 million servings of instant noodles every single day. And today, I'll show you how we do it.
The key is maintaining exact temperature levels during equilibration. And the wheat moves into a multi-stage cleaning system, processing 10 tons of grain per hour through a series of increasingly...
The conditioned wheat now enters the milling operation. A series of roller mills that reduce the kernels into the milled flour enters a sophisticated blending system where computer-controlled systems measure and mix components with remarkable...
After completing the intensive kneading cycle, the dough enters a crucial resting period where gluten networks relax and internal stresses dissipate.
The linear speed is holding steady at 25 meters per minute.
Good, the thickness is perfect for the cut.
Check the pressure on the gauge. We might need a slight adjustment on the flow rate. The microscopic animation illustrates this invisible but critical transformation, showing how
The texture looks consistent here, right?
Yes, gelatinization seems complete.
The steamed instant noodle strands, which have traveled as continuous parallel lines, now pass through cutting stations that section them.
Before entering the main drying equipment, the seasoned instant noodle portions pass through temperature stabilization zones that prepare them for the intense heat exposure. The instant noodle industry employs two primary drying technologies: hot air drying and flash frying. For air-dried instant noodle production, the seasoned noodle blocks enter large convection drying chambers, where controlled airflow removes moisture.
The moisture content on line 3 is showing a gradual drift upwards. We should increase airflow slightly to...
The alternative drying for fried instant noodles begins.
Maintaining optimal frying oil conditions represents one of the most critical control points in fried instant noodle production.
As fried instant noodle blocks emerge from the oil bath, efficient drainage systems remove excess surface oil to achieve...
Hot fried noodle blocks enter cooling tunnels, where powerful fans and controlled airflow rapidly reduce temperatures to safe levels.
All instant noodle blocks undergo final moisture content verification. Automated equipment diverts random samples into... Coordinated automated systems rapidly add flavor packets and dried vegetable garnishes. Verification systems confirm each component's
After evacuating the air and backfilling with nitrogen, the packages receive a leak-proof seal.
Batch coding and traceability marking. Each sealed and inspected instant noodle package receives permanent markings.
The completed and wrapped pallets move into warehouse facilities adjacent to manufacturing areas, where
Moisture content and flavor profile match the golden standard, sir.
Excellent. Proceed with the release.
Pick confirmed 100 cases of instant noodles from location A5. Move to staging.
The camera captures the loading process, where male forklift operators carefully position pallets with
bits. Meticulous loading includes bracing and desiccants, but the documentation, from invoices to halal certification and
The distribution personnel, including an African-American female worker, monitor product rotation carefully.
I've checked the delivery against the order. Everything seems to be in order.
Great, just sign here, please.
Specialized production lines create premium product varieties that command higher retail prices through enhanced ingredients and superior packaging.
Innovative manufacturers create shapes. We produce yummy or curly noodles from blade to configuration. Automated grouping equipment collects predetermined numbers of individual packages and arranges them into neat arrays suitable for wrapping. Specialized in noodle packaging, addressing unique challenges of individual parcel shipping. Quality control includes transit testing.
By switching to this monomaterial cup, we've reduced the plastic by nearly 15%.
And it integrates perfectly with the existing recycling streams. We need that gold to really pop for the premium feel.
And the red sells the spice. Let's look at the typography on this one.
Rejected packages are automatically diverted. Quality personnel then investigate the defects, ensuring compliance with complex global regulatory requirements. The organized chaos of production changeovers involves flavor packet changes and the thorough cleaning of seasoning equipment.
Beyond core product lines maintained year-round, instant noodle manufacturers create excitement and drive incremental.
Beyond retail consumer packages, instant noodle manufacturers produce specialized bulk formats, serving restaurants.
The camera captures production lines manufacturing identical instant noodles that will reach consumers under multiple brand names depending on package labeling.
The extruder speed is optimized now. Look at the viscosity.
And the protein count is exactly where we need it for the developing markets.
We're seeing a rise here in the viscosity metrics.
Look at the traceability data for that shift.
I'm implementing the preventative adjustment now.
Excellent. You've adjusted the flow rate perfectly. Remember to log the sanitation cycle immediately.
Yes, Supervisor, I've already input the data here.
The intensive instant noodle manufacturing processes consume substantial energy resources through heating, for steaming and drying.
The bearing temperature is holding steady after lubrication.
Good. The thermal imaging confirms we've eliminated that hot spot.
The forecast shows a surge in demand for the spicy flavor. What potential shortage here?
Let's adjust the schedule and
This retained sample infrastructure is essential for root cause analysis, supporting regulatory compliance and demonstrate.
The statistical analysis confirms a significant spike in complaints for this specific batch.
We need to initiate the rapid.
We must ensure that the ingredient specifications align with the new FDA guidelines.
And track the export.
The finished instant noodle storage facilities maintain sophisticated environmental control systems, ensuring that products preserve their
Truck 305, adjust your route immediately. New coordinates sent to your terminal. Acknowledge.
While most instant noodles withstand ambient temperature distribution, certain premium varieties containing fresh ingredients.
As you can see on the phytosanitary certificate, all wheat products are confirmed free from pests.
Looks good otherwise. The temperature is stable.
All right, I'll mark it accepted in the system.
The store shelf organization follows planograms specifying exactly which instant noodle varieties occupy which.
I usually just have the cup at the office for a quick lunch.
Right, but the packaged ones are better for dinner. You can actually customize them.
Noted. The instant noodle industry faces increasing scrutiny regarding environmental impacts throughout product life cycles, driving
These nutritional enhancement programs demonstrate the evolution of the instant noodle industry toward functional foods supporting health outcomes.
The data clearly shows a pivot towards health and wellness, especially in the APAC region.
And the growth potential in Southeast Asia.
We're revolutionizing the instant noodle experience. It's not just food, it's a lifestyle. Try the new premium line today.
The AI suggests optimizing the adaptogens here for stress reduction.
Yes, and the robotic arm ensures precise measurements of the plant-based protein.
Momofu Ando's innovation addressed food insecurity, launching a category that now serves over 100 billion servings annually across the globe.
This incredible industrial story began in the wheat fields, bringing the documentary full circle from natural origins